Wait, hey God. Okay, let me dance to tell you. Dance. Yeah, look at you.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. Hi. So here's the thing. Let me set this up. So, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Tochi Nicole here. I literally got this idea to film this video right now, and it's like 10 something, and I've practically done half of my chores. Shit, somebody's coming. Good morning. Anyways, so here's the day in my life in the village. I'm in the village of the. I think the last time I updated you guys, where was I? Last time I updated you guys, I was in Abuja from Umahia, and now I'm in a village which is in Imo State. So we're just traveling. Anyways, I'm going to do 2 village videos, 2 village vlogs. Hopefully, this one I have done half of my chores, like I said, but still, I'm really interested for you guys to see me in like my prime, like my village mode. So I'm just going to take you guys through my day, showing you what I do basically. This is like my everyday routine with my sister's friend, just that they're not here right now. It gets really awkward filming in front of people, so I'm thankful that they're not here. Eventually they'll be here today, and all my brothers, and 2 of my brothers. And yeah, maybe you'll see them, maybe you will not. Maybe you see my family, my whole family today. Who knows? Who don't know? And yeah, let's get into this video. I have rambled. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm a Nigerian girl in the village. Subscribe. So I'm basically going to be doing a montage of a lot of things, because let's just see what happens. Hey, leave my phone now. Man, I have to come out of there.
Have you done yourself?
Come now. Come and be in the video. Okay? Shift there. Don't touch it. Stay here. Shut up. Stars in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run, 'cause you are the only one. But in case if anybody sees this is my big brother. His name is this is my brother Abuchi. Yeah, that's all the introduction there is. There's no extra. That's his voice, man, Abuchi.
You always want what you can't have, and what you have you can. Still my heart, the more.
See, they're trying to get the fire from here. That might have. Remove your leg now. From here. See, it's just see that beautiful fire blossom. From here to here. Because, man, she wants to roast yam, because he wants to roast yam. Just look at my fire. This deserves like a whole montage. My setup, in case if anyone is curious, I'm using my back camera throughout because you have to set it up here and face it here. With oh my god, this fire is giving me so much joy. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my rice and cook. I'm trying to make breakfast. Rice is 9 o'clock, I think, 11 o'clock. But I'm still trying. But I'm just trying to make breakfast. After months of starting a fire, like to the front of the house, and I saw something very creative. So you guys have to see it because I don't even know who did this. So I think it's really pretty. Sure. I think it's really pretty. So okay, I just think for some reason I'm very impressed with this. So yeah, I didn't drink all of this. I'm just returning it to where it came from because my brother had guests.
You had it, you can come and tell it as only. How do you know?
Update from the last time I saw you guys. This is Oluchi, by the way. Oluchi, say hi.
Hi.
Oluchi is my friend's hashtag, my sister's bridesmaid, because I know I didn't mention my sister is getting married. Hence, we're in the village. So we're going to go and swim in the river. Hopefully it's fun. Oluchi, are you going to swim?
No.
That's going to change because I personally have plans of pushing her. I'm wearing like this singlet and shorts under because
I'm allergic to the river.
I'm wearing singlet and shorts because I didn't come prepared. Plus, there are a lot of people, like a lot of strangers there. So like, I'd rather be feeling comfortable than look sexy, if you know what I'm saying. So my brother is supposed to go to my elder brother because we can't even go without him. So you get my brother, you already saw him. Then you see clips hopefully of the river and my family members, my external family, so those cousin type of people, and obviously a lot of Oluchi. Hopefully I may vlog tomorrow because my sis English, like I was talking about I may vlog tomorrow because my sister is actually getting married tomorrow. Like her tradition is tomorrow, so I might give you guys like an in-depth of what like our tradition is, type of thing. So yeah. I'm going to see you when I get to the river because I'm really rambling like for like 1 hour, 1 minute plus. Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? This is Favor, and this is Chawaka. The family.
Hey, sit down here.
And this is everyone. Hi. Why are you standing like you're pregnant? Did you just breathe it? This is my one true love. I'm making a YouTube video. This is my sweet cousin. Come to mama, smile. My fine boy cousin, Divine. I've been calling his name up and down. I just wanted to say, Divine, introduce yourself. Are you shy? Are you shy? For the camera? Bro, you too fine. Don't worry, you won't go public. I have as little as 100 subscribers. Really? Yeah, so you won't go public. Say something now, haba. Are you serious? Oh my god, you go turn tired with that.
Why are you so shy?
Oh my god, they are making a debut together. The whole world is saying it. Oluchi, I'm being specific. The whole world is saying this video. Divine, leave her alone now.
I'll be messing with you. You post that.
My setup is crap. Just this. So if I don't finish this video, you guys should know I drowned. I'm documenting my life right now.
I almost drowned.
And she almost drowned.
Oh my god.
This is my cousin Chawaka.
I almost fainted.
She almost drowned. But if I don't finish this vlog, you guys know that your good sis drowned. My video, so we're coming back. I miss waiting. So we finished. Everybody is smiling. Only one person swam, if we are being totally honest. Only this person swam. And I showed you the clip.
Me.
And she drowned, low-key. I did not swim, I just put my leg inside the water, but my battery will soon die. So this is good lighting. So I generally may not. This might be the end of this vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment what your village is, please. And yeah, I'm going to see you, if I don't end this video now, in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.